Hi everyone, we have one more cue card which was given in earlier March in the examination. Let's see the cue card. The question is describe a skill that you can teach others. The first sub question is what is it? Second, how have you learned it? Third, how can you teach others this skill? And last, how do you feel about this skill? If you want to think about the response, you can pause the video now. Let us now see how we can start our response. In today's era, it is extremely important to have a lot of skills to stay ahead of the competition. I keep enhancing my skill set on a regular basis. Recently, I added a new skill to my skill set. Keeping in mind the sequence of the sub-questions, let us see what can we include in the first sub-question, that is, what is it? During the corona pandemic, we were stuck in lockdown for about 6 months. Initially, I was spending a lot of time playing video games and watching movies and web series. But I realized that I won't get a better opportunity than this to improve my skill set. Hence, I started watching YouTube videos related to cooking. So here we are specifying that we have started to learn the cooking skills. Following the sequence, now let us see the second sub-question, that is how you learned it. Cooking wasn't my first choice and it wasn't easy. But once I understood the basics of cooking, I became an excellent cook. I have enhanced my cooking skill after practicing regularly. Following all the steps in sequence made it very easy for me. I am pretty good at making delicious which are liked by everyone who has tried them. Let's see the third sub question, that is how can you teach others this skill? Today, learning any skill is not a big task. With everything available on the internet, you can enhance any skill on the internet. Hence, I would recommend that you can search for courses online. I have designed a course and published it on YouTube so that other people can enhance their cooking skills as well. So here I can teach these skills to others by providing them the videos of my cooking sessions, which can make it very easy for them to understand. Finally, our last sub question, how do you feel about this skill? So this is how we can build our response to this sub question. Learning this skill has brought an incredible change in my life. My fitness level has improved because I can cook healthy food for my choice. A lot of my relatives have been congratulating me for the wonderful food I have been serving them. This skill has made me a better person and I would like to teach this skill to others as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful and do not forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel.